Very good morning, my dear students. As you are aware, lot of changes have come to the subject SEM and PE in the form of additional concepts and additional questions both. And these additional concepts and additional questions are part of each chapter. It's not that a new chapter has been added. It's like existing chapters low, there are some amendments and additions that have happened. Now, these changes were brought about somewhere in the month of Jan-Feb 2021, essentially January 2021. And I was supposed to record all these changes and present it to all of you somewhere in the month of March itself. Unfortunately, in February, a close relative of mine passed away, and then another shock to all of us was in the month of March, where another close relative of mine passed away. And therefore these two incidents completely shook us, me and my family, and therefore to come out of this, it took me quite some time. And then in the month of April, when the COVID situation was turning from bad to worse, I decided that I shouldn't think commercially. I shouldn't bother about selling my classes. I shouldn't bother about marketing myself, but I should try to do my bit to the CA community, to the CA student fraternity in terms of support in the times of COVID. And therefore that has been my basic objective throughout the second half of the month of April, because when the exams got postponed, so I decided to set up an NGO and do whatever I can to help my dear CS students and CS student families and public in general as far as the COVID situation is concerned. I am very happy to inform all of you that we were able to arrange oxygen cylinders to a number of poor families. We were able to provide them financial support. Our own student who was in a critical state, we were able to support him, and by God's grace he is doing fine now, and the process goes on. In fact, I am very happy to share with you that I have purchased an oxygen concentrator as well, 10 liters ka, which I am giving it on rent to CS students and their families who are in need for absolutely free of cost, and they are using it and getting back. Now that work is on track, I have good volunteers helping me out with that. I have finally been able to come back and start recording my classes. In the sense, the existing syllabus videos have already been given to you. My dear students who are watching it on Google Drive and pen drive mode, the existing syllabus has been completed and given it to you. However, as far as the amendments are concerned, the amendments are very unique in the sense, if you look at say first chapter, Introduction to Strategic Cost Management, amendments are negligible, but a few questions have been added. But when you look at chapter 5, Costing of Specific Sector, there is a complete transformation in that chapter. It has completely changed. There are a whole lot of new things that have been included. And then we have another publication by the ICI called as Case Study Digest. So therefore, what are the changes that have come in SEM and PE? Additional concepts, additional questions, and additional case studies. Come on, repeat all of you. Additional concepts, additional questions, and additional case studies. So our objective is to cover all these three. All these three things I want to cover. Now, we are in the month of May 2021 and we are presently in a lockdown situation. So many students who have already completed the syllabus have not been able to properly revise because there is so much uncertainty about the conducting of exams, date of conducting the exams and all that. So therefore, my dear students, what I am going to plan is revision, come amendments, come additional questions and case studies. We are going to have chapter wise manner, because suddenly if I say these are the amendments in this chapter, students who have not revised that chapter, they will not be able to link with the amendment, because most of the changes that are there, that you have to read along with the chapter as such. Say for example, in chapter 1 there is a concept called cost leadership and product differentiation. Okay, now assuming in your new study material one paragraph has been added about cost leadership and product differentiation. Now I cannot simply read out that paragraph and say this is the amendment. We'll have to quickly revise cost leadership and product differentiation and then read whatever amendment has happened. Okay, so what we are going to do is, as you are all aware, we have written in the class smart notes for each chapter, right? We have written down everything in the class. Those who are watching our Google Drive and pen drive classes, we are doing it like that, right? So what we will do is, the handwritten notes, whatever we have written in the class, which we call as smart notes, we will quickly revise that first. That will be the revision part, right? After that, we will be writing, I repeat, we will be writing down whatever additional amendment theory has come, whatever amended concepts have come, we will be writing down, plus we will be solving the questions as well. Okay, now most of the new questions that have been added in the latest study material is already covered in module number 3, which have been issued to all the students who have purchased the Google Drive and pen drive classes. If at all there is any question which is new and it is not there in the module 3 that I have given you, I will give you the problem number and page number of ICI material, which you can all take the help of and do it. There is no problem at all. So therefore the approach is going to be a revision cum amendment. Okay, so we will revise a chapter first, then we will discuss whatever are the amendments which we will write down in the class, like how we normally write everything. So revise existing syllabus, right? Then discuss and write down amendments, okay, and then solve new questions and new case studies. This is going to be our strategy, right? And this is going to be chapter wise. So my dear students, whoever have purchased the Google Drive or pen drive classes, please understand that we will be uploading these videos at the end of each chapter. You know very well that each chapter is there in the form of a folder, correct? So in, say for example, you open chapter 1 folder, in that you will have a number of videos. Last video we will be uploading in each chapter called as revision cum amendment video. So you will have at the end of each chapter this particular video that will be uploaded. Okay, so revision cum amendment as well as additional questions will be at the end. It is very useful for you, my dear students, because say you have watched one chapter and that chapter is over. The last video of that chapter will contain revision plus amendments plus additional questions. So therefore we are covering revision of existing syllabus, discussion and writing down of the newly added syllabus, and solving of the new questions and new case studies. By doing this, student will feel very confident because he has not only completed the chapter, but at the end of the chapter he is completing the revision as well as amendments as well as the additional questions that have been added in the latest study material. This process we are going to follow for each chapter. Okay, and it will be uploaded in your Google Drive and you all can watch it, and any doubts you have, I am always there to support you. Now many students are of the having this doubt that this revision cum amendments and all these things, is this batch having any kind of fees or any kind of a registration that is required? Let me tell you, my dear students, the revision cum amendment cum additional questions will be uploaded in the Google Drive and pen drive absolutely free of cost. There is no kind of fee to be paid. Not only that, so many students require a moral booster before their preparation. So therefore, apart from uploading this on the Google Drive, we will also be streaming it live on YouTube for those benefit of those students who have not purchased the Google Drive and pen drive class, so that it will be like a revision batch for you as well. Now in case amendments are there, we are going to write them down, And once we write, we get a complete confidence over the subject. That is how we have been doing it all this while. So therefore, those students who have bought our Google Drive and pen drive classes, we are going to upload these videos in the Google Drive and you can watch it at your convenience. There is no problem. And for students who are not our students, in the sense who have not bought our classes, we will be streaming it live on YouTube and you can watch it, because once the video stream is over, I will keep it for some time. You can watch it and you can complete your revision. And there is absolutely no fees for this, because trust me, for the past 3 to 4 months, I have not been able to think in a commercial manner. After losing 2 close relatives and after seeing the kind of situation in the country and the kind of situation students are undergoing, mental stress, mental torture, COVID cases, I am simply not able to think in a commercial manner. So all this is free of cost. There is nothing that you have to pay. And my dear students who have been waiting for this amendments classes and all these things for the past more than 2 months, I can only tell you that destiny has played a very nasty game with me and my family. 2 relatives in 2 months, that too not because of COVID. February and March, February 1 person, March 1 person. It was too difficult for me to absorb that kind of shock, and therefore started an NGO in the month of April, trying to do my best as far as I can, giving back to the society. And therefore let me make it very clear that these revision cum amendments classes are absolutely free of cost. It will be uploaded in the Google Drive for our students. Parallelly, it will be streamed on YouTube as well. There is absolutely nothing that you have to do. But in case any student wants the smart notes or any kind of thing, there is a simple Google form that you will have to fill up, so that our person can send it across to you, and we will try to share it in the soft copy form as well. You are all aware, the earlier attempt, we had a revision batch called the Mission 70 Plus amendments, a revision batch. So many students were benefited because of that, and therefore this is yet again one more attempt to have a revision batch plus amendments plus solving the new questions and case studies. And don't worry, every video will be having a timestamp. Every video will be having a clarity, a clear breakup about what part to what part is the theory, what part to what part is the questions. And as you all know very well, existing syllabus we have already written, so we will be only discussing from the written notes. No need to write once again. Amendments part we have to discuss and write again, because that is something new. And you know that each and every case study we solve in the class. Each and every question we solve in the class, and therefore the new questions and the new case studies also we will be solving it in the class. When I say new case studies, I am referring to nothing but, case study digest, and therefore that case study digest is going to be the basis for us to solve the new questions in the form of new case studies that have been added in the case study digest. So my dear students, please listen carefully to what I am saying. We have to be very clear in our goal. Those students who are going to write the exams, whenever they are going to be conducted, whether in July or August, whenever it is, please don't lose hope, don't lose touch with the subject. I am there to wake all of you up from your sleep. When I say sleep, I am referring to this break that has come. Everywhere you see depressing news, everywhere you see news of deaths and all these kind of situations. So therefore, for a CS student to study in this kind of an atmosphere, to motivate yourself, physical health is different, mental health is different, my dear students. So physical health we can manage, but what about mental health? I can wear a mask and I can prevent COVID from infecting me, but who is going to protect me? Who is going to prevent me from going into a mental depression? This is a very crucial phase, my dear CS students. Those who have completed their syllabus, those who have completed their revision, please understand that you require to revise once again, because a break, a time gap has come, exams have been postponed, and therefore it is very, very important for you to take me very seriously. I will be with you during this lockdown. I will be with you during this COVID situation, and I will be with you not only to support you for your medical and other financial reasons that anyhow I am doing. Now I am also assuring you that I want to be a part of your preparation. I want to revive your mental health as well. How many days, how many weeks some students are sitting at home, they are unable to revise simply because there is a mental block. There is uncertainty everywhere. In such a situation, motivating yourself to revise, motivating yourself to study, how difficult it can get. I know very well, my dear students. Whether your friends, your parents, your family understand you or no, I understand you, my dear students. Because I have also been a student and I have seen what has been happening for the past 2-3 months. The entire month of April and May up to today, the entire month of April and May, I decided very clearly, not a single promotional post will be shared by me for my classes. Right from the month of February, March and April. Is this life just to make money? Is this life just to promote yourself and your classes and yourself? When people around me are suffering, CA students are struggling, CA students are struggling financially, emotionally and whatnot, I could not promote myself or my classes. I don't know whether that is my biggest strength or biggest weakness, but that is the fact of the matter, my dear students. I cannot be like that. It is very difficult for me. And therefore, I want to assure you, I want to promise you that the revision, the amendments, the new questions and new case studies and a complete clarity about how to revise each chapter, revision strategy for the exam will be given to you at your doorstep. What do you have to do? You just need to stay in touch. You just need to stay in touch with me. Stay updated. Watch the videos as and when they are playing so that you don't miss out on any kind of revision. So my dear students, this is the beginning of a wonderful journey. We are going to revise, we are going to learn new things and we are going to do it together. That is very, very important. You are all alone in your house, but don't worry, we are going to do it as a team effort. We have to wake up others and wake up ourselves also. Motivate ourselves, push ourselves. Who knows? Suddenly the ICA will come out with an announcement saying that exam is going to happen 1 month from now. Exam is going to happen 40 days from now. Who knows? But when that announcement comes, are we well prepared to face the exam? Are we well prepared to tackle this subject? Have we fully revised the syllabus? Have we fully revised the amendments? Are we perfect with our additional questions and additional case studies? The answer should be yes, my dear students. That is the objective of this initiative. I don't want to simply give you the amendments, throw it on your face and say my job is over. I want to hold your hands right up to the date of the examination. And that is possible by revising existing syllabus and focusing on amendments and new case studies. People are making mistakes. They are focusing only on the amendments as if they are perfect with the existing syllabus. We have to revise existing syllabus and we have to discuss and write the amendments. That is going to be our strategy, my dear students. And before I conclude this introductory video, explanation video, let me inform all of you that studying, revising, preparing is in our control. So think about that which is in your control. When will the exams be? When will the lockdown be lifted? Will there be any opt-out window? All these things are not in our control. So let us not waste our time on these things which are not in our control. So my dear students, I hope all of you are with me. I hope all of you are connecting with what I am saying. I hope all of you will support me in this initiative to make everything easy for you as far as this subject is concerned. Trust me, till the time I complete this revision, amendments and solving of new questions and case studies, I will be with you. I don't need anything but your time and your dedication to the subject. And unless and until I complete this, any student wants the class smart notes, any student who wants any kind of support, amendment support, anything, you just have to tell me, and I am telling it on public, I am telling it on record that it is free of cost. Because at these times, during such times, it is simply not correct. It is simply not possible for me to sell anything. I want to give you this, my dear students. I don't want to sell anything to you. I want to give you. But I request all of you to please give me your time, your dedication and your faith. Trust me, at the end of this revision cum amendments batch, all of you will be very confident with this subject. You will have a grip on the subject and you will have the confidence to face the examination. For students who are not aware, this is my contact number which you can use for any doubts, any clarifications that you require. And there is also a Telegram group in which I will add you. Once you message me on this on Telegram, I will immediately add you to my group. Okay. And there is a YouTube channel called Vineet Suresh Classes. Most of you are already aware. In this channel, I will be uploading the revision, amendments, new questions, new case studies on a regular basis. And please, please, please don't forget to watch the video as per the designated time, because you know very well watching it live makes it lively. After uploading, people don't get the motivation to watch. So I will be telling all the details with you. I will be sharing everything with you. And the students who are having the Google Drive, pen drive classes, please remember at the end of each chapter, this video will be uploaded at the end. Okay? It will be uploaded so that you watch it at the end of your particular chapter. And those students who have completed their syllabus only should watch these videos. Those who have not completed their coaching, those who have not completed their syllabus, you don't watch it because you will not be able to connect. Those students of mine who have finished watching my classes, just wait. The Google Drive folder will be uploaded with revision cum amendment class. You just have to watch that and you are set. Those who are not my students also, it will be uploaded on YouTube and it will stream at that particular time. You please watch it. Don't delay, because the more you delay, the more confidence you will lose before the exam. Okay. So therefore, once again, I thank all my students for waiting patiently for me to start this revision cum amendments batch. As I told you, two relatives passing away, one in February and one in March, made me completely helpless and I was unable to do my duty towards you. Yes, I feel that it is my duty to the students. I was unable to do that. However, everything is in track and therefore this journey has begun. Revision cum amendments batch is going to start. Daily videos will be uploaded and you all can enjoy those videos and stay updated. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel as well so that you don't miss out on the excellent content that we will be bringing out. And therefore, don't message me and ask me what is the fee and all that. Everything is free, because I already told you. I don't want to repeat that. Okay. So my dear students, those who have been waiting for a long time, I want to apologize to you as well for the delay, but I was simply helpless. I couldn't do anything about it, and therefore I trust that all of you have been waiting patiently for me. I trust that all of you will follow these classes and take maximum benefit out of it, and I trust that you will consider that I am also a part of your preparation. I am also a part of you. I am also a part of your journey towards the CA final, SCM and PE preparation. And any doubt, please send me a message on Telegram. And students who are in Telangana, Hyderabad, any difficulty, any help regarding COVID, you require oxygen cylinder, oxygen concentrator, anything, please feel free to message, because that work is also happening. The NGO is doing some great job and I'm so happy because I have good volunteers who are helping me with that. So therefore, why I am saying Telangana and Hyderabad is that sending the cylinder and concentrator outside Telangana border is very difficult, especially because of the lockdown, but still we can try. If anyone is in need, please tell me, we will arrange it for them, and we will do our duty, basic duty as a human being, helping whatever we can. So my dear students, thank you very much. In the next video, we are going to start the revision, amendments, additional questions chapter wise. We will start with chapter number 1, that is Introduction to SCM, right? Wherein we will discuss our class notes, revise the amendment, and solve the additional questions. This is going to be our strategy. This is going to be our goal. This is going to be our journey. And I hope all of you are with me in this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and keep smiling, my dear students. Thank you.